Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Coffee, a beloved beverage enjoyed by millions worldwide, offers a quick pick-me-up and a comforting ritual for many. However, despite its popularity, certain habits associated with coffee consumption can have adverse effects on our organs. Here are 5 such habits. 1. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Consuming coffee on an empty stomach, especially first thing in the morning, can irritate the gastrointestinal tract and lead to acid reflux, indigestion, and stomach ulcers. The acidic nature of coffee can exacerbate existing digestive issues and may disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, affecting overall digestive health. 2. Excessive consumption. One of the most common pitfalls is excessive coffee intake. While moderate consumption may offer health benefits, excessive caffeine consumption can lead to negative consequences. Overconsumption can strain the liver and kidneys, as these organs work to metabolize and eliminate caffeine from the body. Additionally, excessive caffeine intake can disrupt heart rhythm and elevate blood pressure, posing risks to cardiovascular health. 3. Adding sugary syrups and creamers. Another habit that can harm organs is loading coffee with sugary syrups, flavored creamers, and whipped toppings. These additions not only increase the calorie and sugar content of your beverage, but can also contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance. Over time, excess sugar consumption may lead to fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 4. Ignoring hydration needs. Coffee is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production and can lead to dehydration if consumed in large quantities without adequate water intake. Dehydration can strain the kidneys and impair their function over time. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to balance coffee consumption with ample water intake throughout the day. 5. Drinking coffee in the late afternoon. Drinking coffee late in the afternoon can harm health due to its effects on sleep quality and circadian rhythm. When you drink coffee late in the afternoon, the caffeine remains in your system for several hours, prolonging its stimulating effects well into the evening. This can lead to disrupted sleep patterns, decreased sleep duration, and poorer sleep quality overall. Chronic sleep deprivation and poor sleep quality have been linked to a wide range of health problems, including increased risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and mental health issues. In conclusion, while coffee can be enjoyed as part of a balanced lifestyle, it is essential to be mindful of the habits associated with its consumption. By moderating intake, avoiding excessive additives, prioritizing hydration, and choosing high-quality coffee, we can minimize the potential harm to our organs and continue to enjoy this beloved beverage responsibly. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.